Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Raju Talukdar. Here I saw my C programming project. My project name is Hand Nurse and Ambulance Service. So at first I open the code blocks, then I run it. It is my project cover page. Welcome to Hand Nurse and Ambulance Service prepared by Raju Talukdar. ID 173352222. Department of Software Engineering, Daffodil International University. Here you saw the local time. Press NQ to continue. It's a command for user. So I press enter for continue. Here is a two part, one for user and two for admin panel. So at first I want to go admin panel, so I press 2. Here also a two part, press 1 for registration and 2 for login. If you have an account in this software, so you press 2 and enjoy this software. If you don't have any account in this software, so you must press 1 and complete your registration. After that you can enjoy this software. I have no account in this software, so at first I press 1 for registration. Here the first option is enter first name. My first name Raju, then my last name is Thakur. My username suppose Raju, then my password like 1234, then press enter. Here message we missed, that was your user id is your password. Now log in with your user id and password. Press any key to continue. Press any key to continue is a command, so it's a login option. Now it's first option is user id. My user id was Raju and my password was 1234. So I input this. Now press enter, then login successful. Press any key to continue. It's a command that was here. So I press enter. It is the main menu. 1 hand nurse, 2 ambulance service, 3 is payment, 4 is approval. 1 hand nurse, check available nurse. So 2 add nurse, 3 update nurse, 4 search a nurse, 5 delete a nurse. If I press 1 for check available nurse, so I press 1. Available nurse list is blank because we don't add any nurse details. 1 for main menu, 0 for exit, so I press 1 for go back main menu. Then 2 is add nurse, so I press 1 for add a nurse details. Name like Shathi. Institute, suppose her institute was Dhaka Medical College, so shortly we write DMC. Then age, suppose her age was 20. Workplace, suppose Daffodil. Address Dhanmondi. Phone number, you must input 11 digit. You don't input 10 or 12 or others digit, because if you enter 10, 12 or 10 or 12 or others not digit, it show you the wrong direction, because you must input 11 digit. So I input 11 digit. Enter email, suppose Shathi @ gmail.com. Enter salary, suppose our salary was 200. Enter. Are you want to add more? If you want to add more, you press Y, else press N. I don't add anymore, so I press 1 N, then N1. Update nurse, so we saw the update nurse. Third, want to update Shathi, then press enter. 1 for update name, 2 for update institute, 3 for update age, 4 for update workplace, 5 for update address, 6 for update phone, 7 for update email, 8 for update salary. So if you suppose you update the name, so you press 1, then enter name, suppose Shumi, enter Shumi. Modify another record. If you want to modify in another record, you press yes, or if you don't like, so you press n. I don't like modify another record, so I press n. The fourth option is search and nurse. So if I enter 4, the enter the nurse's first name, so I input Shati, then press enter. Shathi, you can see the Shathi's details here. Here two option, main menu or exit. So press 1 for main menu. I press 1 for main menu. For hangers, hangers press 1. Then the fifth option is delete nurse. So I press 5, delete nurse, Shathi. Then enter. The record delete successfully. 1 for main menu, press 1, go back main menu, then 1. Now we can check the nurse details delete or not. So we can go check available nurse. So press 1, the blank, because we had one one nurse details. Then we go to back main menu. So I press 1. Now the other option is ambulance service payment approval. We see this after saw user part. uh, we saw user part there. At first we add a nurse, so add a nurse. So trace to add a nurse, same nurse, same name, Shathi. Institute, like DMC is 20, workplace suppose daffodil, address Dhanmanti, phone number 017331676, enter, email Shathi at the rate of gmail.com, salary suppose 200, no, then we press 0 for exit. Now again we run it and go to the user option. I have no account, so I must complete my registration. So I press 1, first name Raju, enter my last name there, then enter my username. Again I input Raju, but my password some change. So 123. Before in first time my password was 1234, but now my password is 123. Like enter. Your user name is your user ID. Now log in with your user ID and password. First time we miss it. Now we can see this. Press any key to continue. So I press enter for continue. User ID Raju. My password was 123. Now press enter. Yeah, successfully login. Press any key to continue. So I press enter for continue. 1 for higher notes. So I press 1. Here is the available nurse list. Shathi, the nurse name, institute, DMC. So if you like these details, if you want to hire nurse, so you press 2. If you search the nurse, press 1. We saw the search system. before when we saw the admin part. So now we don't see this. We saw how can I hire a nurse. So we press 2. Name, it's the customer information. So I input Raju, then email Raju gmail.com, and phone 01676. Then for, so I hired for office. Then location, like Dhanmondi. Time 12. Successfully done. Thanks for cooperating with us. 1 for main menu and 0 for exit. Yes, 1 for main menu. Here, two is ambulance service. Uh, 2 is ambulance service. So I press 2 for ambulance service. Name, phone 01709331676. Press enter. From Dhanmondi to Shankar, charge 40 taka per kilometer. Category AC. If you want to AC, so you write AC. Doctor, if you want to doctor with ambulance, so write yes, then press enter. Don't worry, here is a notification for him. Don't worry, there will be no harm into your health, inshallah. Our ambulance will reach you in 3 minutes. There are also two options, main menu and exit. We go to main menu, press 1. 3, option 3, payment, press 3. And if you want to pay with online, press 1. So I press 1. For nurse, pay for nurse, so press enter. Card number, suppose my card number is 123. Then account number 321. Password like 2323. Please enter account number. Amount 200. Then press enter. Your payment is successfully done. Thank you for cooperating with us. Press 1 for main menu, 0 for exit. So I press 1, main menu. Check confirmation. If the admin sent me a confirmation message, that's why we saw the confirmation message. So we see the 4. No, it is blank. Admin don't send me the confirmation message. So we saw this to view admin panel. Press 0 for exit. Then we run it again. Then press 2 for admin panel. 2 for login. User ID was Raju. Password was 34. We saw the ambulance service option. Press 2. Then the one person Raju who sent a request for ambulance. Here is a 2 option, main menu and exit. We go to main menu. Press 1. The option payment. So press 3 for payment. One person pay for nurse. The details is here. Then press main menu for 1. 4. The approval. One person had a nurse request. Sent her details is here. So you press enter for confirmation. Type confirmation message. If you want to accept this, you write accept. Press enter. 1 for main menu, 0 for exit. We want to exit, so press 0. Then now we run it and check the confirmation. press 1 for user, 2 registration, so Raju 123, then login. Now we check confirmation, so press 4 the accept. Thank you for watching my video.